Hi guys, welcome to Tech. Are you facing this issue in SP latest generation laptop or computer when you want to load a new OS and you can't see any drives, okay, any NVMe SSD there? And how can you fix this problem? Okay, just follow the steps. I'm here to solve this problem. Before we start the tutorial, please friend, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel for new tech videos. Okay guys, now let's jump to the tutorial. Okay guys, if you face these types of error, then you have to install one NVMe RST driver in your bootable pen drive and this problem will be fixed. To install driver, you have to go to the Chrome browser, then after type here Intel RST driver, you have to download this driver. Okay guys, now click the first link and click the download SetupRST.exe file. The file has been downloaded here. Now what you have to do is you have to just copy this file and you have to paste on the E or D drive. Okay, if there is C drive, then you do not have to keep on the C drive. Okay, you have to keep on this E drive. Just paste here. Then after we have to type CMD and run as administrator. And after here you have to select the E drive. I have selected here C drive, so you have to type E, shift colon, enter. E drive has been selected because I have kept that file in the E drive. Okay, in case if the file is in D drive, then you have to write D in the place of the E. Then here is one command. You have to paste this command to extract that files, copy and paste on the command prompt, then hit enter. Wait, maybe this name is one here. Just rename single RST only. Again paste that command and hit enter. At that time it is working guys. If that case is in your PC also, this is a new lesson for you. Okay, and after you have to go to E drive here and you can find out here the SetupRST file has been extracted here, and you have to go to production, Windows, this drivers, and you have to just copy this BMD driver. Now guys, we have to paste that extract file inside this pen drive, bootable pen drive of your OS. Then after again load from this pen drive and we have to follow the instructions fully. Okay, then after click next, and then after click the install now. Yes, this is the same process as we do. Then I don't have port key, choose there, and then after you have to choose here Windows 11 Pro version. And then after click next, and then click next here also, accept and click next, and choose the custom install Windows only. And here is the main point. Okay, after going this process you have to click on the load driver. Click on the load driver here, and after click the browse. Okay, choose the browse here. Then after you have to go to your bootable pen drive. Okay, then after you scroll down and choose the BMD folder, and then I click OK. Click OK. Then if we can find out this BMD driver, click the first one and click the next. Okay, click next, and now you can see all the partitions of your computer has been shown here. Guys, this is the 100% worked solution because I have faced the same issue and I tried all and my problem was fixed, guys. Okay, if you like this video, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.